I was saying, Mako Abakasiapa, Eddie Abotum for TV Plus. Any of first time I got here, Samesh. Ube share video with your movie. No be so share their movie. I was here. Now, a MPP, the secretary to His Excellency Asante Bediatuo for the past 2-3 weeks. I say, no one you saw one on your watch, a stroke, and I say affecting. Now, it was here. A papa list well. I didn't send me to watch you say. Asante Bediatuo news a wɔn mate ɛne sɛ watoa nananom ɛwɔ nsiɛdo wei esi abira na wɔn make a reaction ɛwɔ Accra FM ayi ti mmerɛ ba yɛbɛtoa so ɛdi ama.
Obi akasi abiri mpɔni ko subutu.
Obi anadie tiabu.
Obi anadie tiabu.
Why from for them?
Why from for them?
Wa babu na di for di mutan for ti jankuma di.
Wa babu ready for what is that jankuma di jankuma di.
Two for but I'm on bringing yes. Bruno. And I say beer. What tennis on Tesukoko. Because Yaria a baby as na a huno. A man for Fahudi ye papa. Eno kahubina kufia Asante Bediatuo. Ada nipa ete say yese wakone krechi. For a couple of hours na akoye say ubia ni age say kufia Asante ewu. After a while na nipa sa ani asaba won ho so say nti akoye wu afa ne ho adi na ase uko social media ayi obia ya se akoye pa nti wu afa ne ho adi ti enya na antwe na bo so. And these are the signals as a result of a neoma a course so wabra covid abe wiase asebi obia epe sebi imperiasa homie ene enkwa echira kwan ahwehwe
MPP
and penny coming events cast their shadows.
Oh say enwan wo de aba
Sabra no bi ni asema na make kan say nipa sebio wo de atutra sem fra abonten e ba fie no oba beji o man na say no wo de kro no party sika no awia kokan o hinto report party sika wo MP sika ye say wo person ye MP no koje bankers draft ne fabra o wia sika no kotena UK ko di sika no
no the party need loan
no the party akoji loan no ni keno forata we no mo de akoji loan no prudential party officer president ko for dia cheyen ne badwa din mu na party office ne wo na wa pega party office no dia kosia wo wa agi loan adi sika no sika bia ni wo so akufo do di te se cocaine abra bo pepepepe
no was scatter leadership.
You can imagine say Sabrano no wapam many afoko ntimi nya adwuma no wapam no when he come ready point ntimi nya adwuma many same crab ntimi nya adwuma, and that is all that he was doing, and he was backed by stupid fools in penifo CK tell them it who said that CK tell them who ye na ye unim ade a friend who went cry motian from ko kick can canopy nyina to buye. Oh, Google our internet lesson. Ebubu konya ni nyina pam ebubu tent no e ka se ka efe funada kanako. Ne boni nti na ne boni so aketua na yase na ne tent bubugu sa. Hwe eyi papa yi osofo Asante ntwi ono so sa o na yase the same as Akufo do Nyankopon eduabo na ode abo no. Ono so na yase sa. Oh, so the bonini free opposition and abemu. And now look at the leadership. How does Akpeno or Afenyo or how does he qualify to be the leader of MPP in Parliament? How does he qualify? And then omujina so edi susu ye edi ye ntoto ho say akwa we wo leadership skill a obetimi dia DMPP fo anim wo mrahye bedwam. Aside from that, see the leadership crisis aba eye MPP mu no efri ho any government nim free wa. Let's centralize this whole thing around why we have a very just say, I don't want to use an expression that will look but I mean I'm just being descriptive. Because how does Tokonu qualify to even be in the Supreme Court? How does she? How does any one of the 5 on the list, Aumudi Asem, no, qualify to be there? How does any one of them, just one, tell me how any one of them qualifies? To the extent that, Nanama, if you put this search in Google, Akwala Ketwakra will read to you, say, stay of execution. It has only one meaning in law. But just because Akufo-Addo has always looked for adia broni friend or yes men to mean say or pe obi a enye se wadwini mu abobew but obi a mekasa obeye yes a
obetimi manipulate
obi a metimi manipulate you metimi control metimi aye okoliko metimi aye o puppet na metimi play puppetry with. And Akufo-Addo is a puppeteer. Every time he makes sure say obe look out for nipa obetimi a control omo anu ntina wentimi ni afoko anya adwuma no because say bi afoko wa bɔ ne bra sebi odisika to mprada papa bi wa bɔ bra okotra UK ni wa fa akwa wi ni cocaine ni jimi anu wa bɔ ne bra papa bi anu ntia na sebi o we kimpiski yesi we ya say nya kwasea na betimi sisa kimpiski no obo ne bra anya ni say kamo ba mu a ene holiday in matter ye friend is saying kamo kwa koto ye friend is saying la hotels in Siena aban hotels ni nyina
la palm
akwaya odi animu na we no no kapra odi koto sa hotel no Akufo-Addo mu na di nanim bra example Akufo-Addo no na di wono adi animu se wo mayen yusu na yemfa na sa hotel na esi wo no on say eduru Easter bia na odi amika na okosa hotel ni aye omo dia ye family ni business and omo di na di animu. Look, do you know how much it costs to build that thing? Prior Chapo, does he have that money? Obia ono ochichi kukomu American Air Force. Obede when you say scano. Obi beka say na yesi pay slip ni wan sai sika ni nyina opa 100 years boom. It cannot build that thing. It's not true. They have stolen this taxpayers' money, no. Now, Nanama, if you want to analyze it properly, Shesika Akufo-Addo ageno as Bosia keke, just Bosia keke. Look at how much money a car near dear. Ne 120.2 billion mebwa. As at the time I John Mahama Efra Konyaso. Onunkwa ne Bosia ne womi 54 billion. Now Busa say ene sa 761 billion no e kana ye de no. What 120 na efri mu a ebeka sen. Enye 640. Sa 640 billion no se sa sika no ye de aye Ghana ha adwuma donyamika Ghana che Dubai. That is why I always am emphatic to tell you say they cannot even account for 10% of that money because that 10% of that money no is just about 64 billion. 64 billion in this economy no. And $1 and 16. Yeni Ghana anu na John Mahama wakoji euro bond on this tepe. They just took about $640 million equivalent in euros. Mebwa. That euro bond no mkoje ye no. Eba ma dollar any CD no. Na fe CD na nya hoden. Mebwa. So, if you have borrowed up to this amount and still the dollar is beating the cedi to pop to the extent say and then you need about 16.7 to 17 cedis to get $1. Now obi catcher will say nipa sabi you didn't see no in terms of economy no onhwe eso no watimi aye adwuma are we not tackling ourselves? So if you look at all nipa what do omatoto mia no where minister for way minister for way out, you can see say or look out for people who will be yes men and will be no the Supreme Court. Because if you look at obi to say Jimmy Foya or Attorney General friend say case what UK Ekufuado nua bomti Ekufuado ene ne yire no yere mo amankwa nua ba eja amankwa North Kaneshi Mr. Amankwa so wo ye Amankwa Foundation bi wo papa no sa papa no ne ba ni remo amankwa ne ba remo amankwa ni nua ba na bomti Ekufuado ware no eno ena ma unsa remo ye madamfo a se bi o enya se madamfo se me ni na koton cocaine there bi but yes hello now sa maame no akwaje demion sika so obema na asase wan va asase ama no sika ama ena ode wako police station yes e ba be chew ena perform akotena se enu nti no Ekufuado be ye president yi owo IPP contract musi etwem ena kofa sa judgment debt ni ba you know enu ani o asem ne tentini tete ani eya na mafra ya na ebusuafo no masheda. No, Damian is not like that. I mean, if you know Damian, you don't even think say masheda kwekọ muti abohuna ombe. So Ekufuado has always looked out for yes men. Nipa omo emphasis so obetimi control omo. Na kanya sa ka odi ehwe papa panin toto te say kwesi ani yeboa. Afa no okotu Black Law Dictionary. Wabra ye was statute wo why was say kind. And na Ekufuado ye mampani ubusa say abasan na Ekufuado nya ye odidi mampani a yenim. Supreme Court couldn't tell us. Supreme Court could not even let the one that steered the affairs of the election answer the questions, even when of course ono kwesi ani yebo a onim say ono krampo no or answerable to the people of this country. And they let her off the hook. Entino anuna tokonu any the very 5 odd ones are omo 4 odd ones omo kan ho a omo koye sa ruling no omo timi admit ade a omo kro omo ni jurisdiction ye any question komo di ho ye friend say Asem kra say stay of execution ya ede ya bedru ba bia ya dru now why stay of execution wa bring any question stay of execution o say speaker emane
3 minutes
mate ema speaker mpamomo speaker o si mate enti me so no me bae no as a speaker no me woni pa kakra bi na wo mra se bedwa me ntimi nya business BMT ese no obian kofie ya pon ni nua ni kofie afa wo say o impede the process of government business wo nim nyansa ade na wo free parliament wo nim say government business or ade na free parliament ade na wo free parliament. Oh, and you know, everything is just about leadership. Oh, say, o can the phone him nyansa. I had to say, why do you need adwuma no? O body ni be bre. So adwene ni nya adwuma, body ni be bre, da bia body ni sofa. Because adwene no na ma body no, o ya ade, it is a tool. Oh, say woni ade de jeke car, any wheel spine and bibia uni bia o tai joa na se bia bibia wom na ebia e wo se wutukoya. How do you do that? But because broni ehu nyansa se e wo se ye bibia e betimi apega car no na yenya bibia e betimi atutu wheel nuts no na yetimi ayi tai na free munti no ama bibia ye easy. Ete se wa adwene pepepe da bia uhu ene tu bia te se microphone si animu hai e ma ye kasa duru akire because broni ye ne se ne be ya e be ma wo ne duru akire nya sanka we this enke kogina mountain be so na ye tie makufo do abon o onim hwansan o ba wo mi abon o onim nyansan o okay be wie ne ye ne kra den asi but when the microphone is aiding you sana adwene ne so tie say wadwene ne boa wo e ma wo hu nyansan wo ye bibia wo ye no abasa hare so wo ye bibia no chese wo mre na wa ye bibi but say adwene ne nya adwuma body ne bre eno na say wo ko fie say speaker say wa call it house no Senedine enya sa kopem da akuma toye mu beba meboa
so ono so lawyers akofale
da bi o file ne de obetima file o you cannot compare the speaker enya ni ye born a rule say ejemensa wuntimi ntwene ma magina edaka mu no na speaker na wetima twe no obetimi make so obi atimi and that is what I mean etino e case su dua the omo ye no will not yield any resource senkomu nim nyansa sabi empanifo se anofom brejo e ma abato
kasade
hunu nyansa etina me ira bia me de Proverbs chapter 6 verse 6 okwadwofo ko ntati anche hwe emu ewo wiase nyina de wo swapa ye betimi ya kai se oswapa ya abo ntati na kanyankopon nim se osono nim nyansa ko beka se okwadwofo ko osono nchen onim se osono wagimi osono ya abo a wabodam agimi ya ni nyansa e wo fom papa enu ti na o ka kire osono se osono gimi fuoi ko entati anchen ko sua na kwan
ne hunu
nyansa nti osono gimi fo MPP osono gimi fo mon kontatia entatia mahama nchen mon kontatia esiedu nketia de sentatia pa mon ko entatia nchen general mosquito on ne swa mon ko ne nchen na mon ko sua na kwan na mon hunu nyansa omo na yesa constitution ya yeken NDC for na ye esiedu nketia di mutintimai the consultative assembly a ma constitution we by into being no omo na ye enti metimi ehunu nyansa chan wono a wotro ne constitution na ka obehia ni bia na the first time meti no was station bi so say MPP for one of their deputy communication officers no or express e say mahama na ama enioma yi no port no kra ne bo ayedin unim de omo ascribe on the we need to omo say mahama akwakoje
Yan Santos wale ze wa nitia la jimia faso be wida dada se ko jimia ko wida dada unyimia minimia be kanfo otu fo betimi ama he me Santos se mkoduma ba na se me bra na se me pese me hwe eye short videos mama ni ji gwadia enyi ba bia bi mo no se me ko na makohwe otumfo ba TV ho na benya videos papa so say wo hwa na subscribe tie otumfo ba TV na subscribe so entampana no bomodi no wa share link no we share link na na wo bi su enya no so